here coming straight out of Pennsylvania into your backyard. So I hear this big squawk, and I come running in the other room, and Mama's tending to the big green bird. I don't know what happened. He was on the floor and walking around like normal, and Mama turns around and looks at me, and apparently I've got a bird feather hanging out of my mouth. I don't know how it got there, but she looks at me and I just can't even say it. I can't believe it. She accused me of hurting the bird. You know, I don't like him, but I wouldn't hurt him. I'm not a mean fella when it comes to inside birds, and besides I know I'll get bit back, but that's not stopping me. I'm still gonna be nice to him. She said, Dad, why did he squawk? Did you pull a feather? No, Mom, I didn't pull a feather. Well, we'll just have to put him back on his perch and make sure he's okay. Do you mind watching him for a little while? No, Mom, I don't mind watching him as long as I don't get bit. You know, I gotta take care of myself first. You know, the bird's gotta be second when it comes to me, Mama. It's always gotta be me first, Mama. Okay, we got a deal. I'll watch him. Take out.